Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to boot into your BIOS in Windows 10. So it's very simple to do. For most computer manufacturers, this will be the one shoe fits all type of method. So very simple to get into the BIOS. We're going to do my preferred method, and that would be to restart the computer. So just click power and then restart, or you could already just have the computer powered off and now you're just turning it on. And then when the computer starts booting up, you want to type either the F2 key or the delete key. Generally, delete key is for desktops and F2 is for laptops, but again, it depends on your computer's manufacturer. So when the computer is restarting, you want to gently tap on the key. If one of the keys does not work for you, just try restarting the computer again, then we'll try with the other key. Okay, so you'll arrive at a boot menu. So then you just want to use your arrow down keys and then click on Enter Setup using the Enter key on your keyboard. And this will launch your BIOS and UEFI settings where you can modify different things. Just be very careful when you're modifying BIOS settings because it could severely impact the performance of your computer and it could render your computer unbootable. And then when you're done, make sure you click on F10, which will save and exit, and then hit the enter key on your keyboard to save your changes and exit the BIOS. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.